Hello, hello from Telavi, Georgia. I am here for the weekend. I have a soccer game tomorrow in Akhmeda, but we are staying in Tel Aviv tonight and then tomorrow night, and then on Sunday we'll head back to Kutaisi. So I'm staying at Nino's Veranda apartment. So I found this on booking.com, and it's for two people. It is $25 a night. Now, there are 3 bedrooms in this apartment, but for 2 people, you just get 1 bedroom. And so if you have more people, you can have access to all 3, but it'll cost more. I honestly don't know the price, if you have like up to 6 people, what that price is per night. But for 2 people per night, it's $25. So we start with a balcony right here. So it overlooks the neighborhood. You can kind of see the trees changing colors. It is October, so we're just starting fall right now. So here's our door. Now, this door is very, very short. I am 5'3", and I only have a couple inches before I hit my head. If you are taller than probably 5'6", 5'7", you're definitely going to hit your head. My boyfriend is 6'4", and this apartment's actually almost too small for him because the ceilings are super low. So here is the bedroom. You got 3 windows. And 2 dressers. I haven't slept in the bed yet because we just got here, but from just sitting on it, it was pretty comfortable. So this is the heater in the unit here, which we'll have going, because like I said, it's actually a little chilly here. So you have a sofa bed or a day bed, a real working fireplace. I'm so excited for later to actually put firewood in there and have a real fire going. I'm really excited for that. Again, because it's cold, I also have the aircon unit on, but I have it turned on heat to warm up. So you actually have 2 tables. You have the small little table, and then this table over here. You do have a kitchen, fridge, stovetop, which I'm excited for, so I can cook my own meals. I don't like to eat Georgian food the day before a game, so I'll cook my own, like rice and chicken or eggs and tomatoes. But they also have a little oven there that we can use, so that'll be really exciting. Then I'll show you the bathroom. Again, if you are tall, do not stay in this apartment. Again, my boyfriend can't even stand to pee without hitting his head. For me, again, I'm 5'3". Whoops. It's fine for me because I'm short. But if you're taller than 5'7", you probably shouldn't stay here. So here are the other 2 bedrooms. Like I said, it can sleep up to 6 people, but we're just 2. So we only get 1 bedroom. So we're only charged $25 a night. But the best part, the main reason I booked this is this massive, massive veranda. Like, this thing is so big. I am so excited to work from here, to wake up in the morning and look out from here. And they have tons of fruit trees. Look at this. You got apples everywhere over there. If you can see down there, there's the firewood that we can use for our fire tonight. Okay, let's try that again. I ran out of storage on my cell phone, so I had to just go transfer a couple files onto my SD card. Anyways, firewood right down there, so we can use that fireplace tonight. More apple trees. Over here, we have grapes, like just grapes, real grapes growing right here. Like, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. I've never had this before. And then if you look through here, the orange in there, those are peaches. There's so much food on this, or fruit trees on this property. This is so cool. Again, this veranda, oh my gosh, it's massive. It is so big. Oh my gosh. So we're like like a 15-minute walk from the center of town. Again, this has 2 balconies. You know, the first one I showed you, and then this one, which is huge. Again, I would say don't book it if you are taller than 5'7", because you're going to spend most of your time bent over. But otherwise, yeah, I like this. $25 a night for 2 people. It can sleep up to 6. They do charge more. It has 3 bedrooms. I don't know the price, to be honest, but for 2 people, this is a lot of space. And again, I am so excited for that veranda, that balcony. Oh my gosh. And look, all around nature. Again, foundoutbooking.com. I'll put the link down below for you guys. And yeah, here's to a weekend in Telavi. I'm excited to try their wine. This is supposed to be wine country. We're going to go to some wineries, a wine house tonight, play some soccer tomorrow. It's going to be a good time. As always, be unique, be adventurous. See you next time.